Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing our first sound check video. I've never done this before. Oh. This is very weird. I've never seen anything quite like it. $64, $22. I've done TT rockstars for a long time, so if I'm not that good, it's because I haven't done it for a long time. I'm aiming for about 3-ish, 4-ish. Okay, 4 will be very good. Okay. Nearly done. 5 seconds one. Okay, results sitting. I have seriously no idea what to expect. Oh, so does that say? Just go sound check. Score history 20. It's only one of these, so let's play one more, shall we? This sound check's pretty easy. You just need to get this right. You don't really need to try. You just need to get the question right. Okay, this does. Suppose it does time you 5 seconds. Oh, sure I got that. I don't think I'm getting anything wrong. Right? Okay, thanks. I just lost it for 2 questions. It's not going to be my best result. Oh god, I forgot how. Is it like your reactions it's trying to test? Game home. Okay, just keeps on going along, and you probably eventually just go along. Get good like that. Go down or up or down. Hope I don't go down there. Okay, so please like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on notifications not to miss another video. So, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.